Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So we just finished up this Cvo Ultra. We did a standard NVS Audio Stage 3 on it. What makes this bike more difficult, it's got power locks on the lids, so we couldn't do speakers on the lids. When a bike has tour pack speakers, I prefer to do speakers in the tour pack over the lids anyway. That way we don't have to deal with the phasing issues with the 6mm versus the 8. Did 8s in the saddlebags. But what makes this bike more difficult, since it's a CVO, there's very little room in the fairing. These bikes have the LT module, the CB module, and the WIM module. So it's challenging getting the T-harness, the two 800.4s, and all the factory parts to fit back in nice and neat. But we got it done. Sounds good, looks good. Check it out. So this bike has nothing in the tour pack. We, in the factory pod location, we did the Hertz SX165. In the fairing, we did the DB Drive Moto 6.5s. And in the bags, we did the Hertz 200L mid-bass drivers. The 200Ls are powered by an 800.4 bridge, and the other 4 speakers are powered by an 800.4 in stereo, HKI Mini DSP, and NVS Audio T-harness to make everything plug and play to the factory GTS radio, which we flashed. Bike came out amazing. Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. JV brought me his beautiful CVO for an audio upgrade. Are you completely happy with the way it sounds?
Absolutely.
Thank you, sir.